Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Akhtar, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, at rupees 1.52 trillion, October GST mop of second highest. Next, now Mazda eyes billion-dollar club. Next, some firms put off IPOs, pick private route. Next, Dixon Lava and Carbon meet financial year 2022 PLI target. Next, on day one, e-rupee pilot sees trade of rupees 275 crore. Then we comes to page number 2 on that FM pitches for talk on spillover effect of rich nations steps. Next, at rupees 1.52 trillion, GST mock-up second highest in October. Next, Australia to ratify interim trade deal with India soon. Next, government lifts edible oil seed stock holding limits. Next, CBDT condense delay in filing form 10A. Next, diesel petrol demand highest in 4 months. Next, manufacturing sector resilient October PMI marginal up. Next, draft common ITR form unveiled to simplify filing. Next, CEA India's G20 presidency to focus on micro sustainability, energy security. Then we comes to page number 3 on that unemployment rate rises to 7.7% in December. Then we comes to page number 4 on that now Mazda I entry into billion-dollar club. Next, Infosys to seek shareholder note for rupees 9,300 crore buyback. Next, APSE Jet quarter 2 net profit rises 65% to rupees 1,738 crore. Next, Voltas reports net loss of rupees 6 crore in quarter 2. Next, Lotus Herbals buys 20% stake in Yoic Secrets. Next, Roha Dicamp acquires Saraf Foods. Next, Google rolls back mandatory use of Play Store billings. Next, October PV sales best ever on better supplies festive boost. Next, all 5G handsets to support Airtel's 5G network by mid-December, says CEO Gopal Vittal. Next, we'll revisit buyback when business environment is more predictable. Then we comes to the page number 6. It's an article section in that stealing up growth story. Next, one bill to rule them all. Next, voting for extremist. Then we comes to the page number 7 on that international travel set to fully recovered by year ended. Next, disrupting conservations around social media beauty. Next, navigating a cookie-less world. Next, reduce premium with deductibles. Next, plan passive income flows for your retirement years. Then we comes to page number 8 on that Musk kick off shake-up of Twitter product leadership. Next, ad sales chief says she quit. Next, US job opening post surprise increases. Next, SpaceX launches Falco Heavy after over 3 years. Next, Pakistan PM Shahbaz Sharif in Beijing to discuss debt. The next, Pfizer boost COVID vaccine sales forecast by $2 billion. Next, Sri Ram Krishnan, the Indian origin techie, now a close advisor to Musk on Twitter. Next, Toyota profit drops amid chips crunch. Next, $16.6 billion deal J&J to buy hurt pump maker Abbott. Next, BP joins revivals with bumper $8.2 billion profit. Next, Uber shares urge on solid profit forecast. Next, on day one, e-rupee pilot see trade profit of rupees 275 crore. Then next, China's property debt crisis enters new phase. Then we comes to page number 9 on that strong credit card sales drive bank bazaar ARR to rupees 130 crore. Next, PNB quarter 2 net loss plugs 63% on higher provision. Next, MSME push growth in bank credit to industry. Next, roadshow in US to market IFC on the global stage. Next, India to be third largest stock market before decade end. The next, B. Rajendran takes charge as SEBI ED. Next, rupee bonds 22 paisa to 82.59 versus dollar. Next, DCX system IPO day 2 performance. Next, global health IPO to open on November 3. Next, Religer Finvest case. SEBI slabs rupees 21 crore fine on 52 entities. Next, mid small cap indices give recently rally a miss. And then we comes to page number 11 on the Tech Mahindra quarter 2 profit rises 13.6%. Next, indices Tower Warong on equity conversation Vodafone Idea. Next, Nykaa profit surges 333% as sales profitability growth improve. Next, Sun Pharma quarter 2 profit rises 11% to rupees 2262 crore. Next, May form moonlighting with boundaries policy tech Mahindra CEO. Next, government sought info on losses in first year MG Motor. Next, Flipkart B2B units financial year 2022 losses rises to rupees 3,404 crore. Then we comes to the page number 12 on that Sensex breaches 61,000 mark. Next, gold demand Q2 beats pre-COVID levels. Next, LIC housing fin profit climbs 23%. Next, UPI transactions is 8% jump in October. Next, Chola Pet falls 7%. Next, balance sheet of corporate India banks strong now, says Prakhar Parekh. Next, we comes to the page number 15 on that UAE royal family backed firm pull out of Dharavi project. Next, Tata to add 45,000 women workers at iPhone parts unit. Next, JJ Irani, the turnaround man of Indian Steel, dies at 86. Then we comes to the page number. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.